Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a really good day today. My name is Marina and today's video is gonna be a massive boots haul. So I haven't done a haul in so long because I haven't really been shopping, but I thought I'm just gonna treat myself and start a little bit of Christmas shopping. So it's so long, so let's just jump in. So the first thing I got was this Nails Inc Beauty of Dreams Deluxe Unicorn Gift Set. It looks like this. Is it gonna focus? There's little unicorns. And I got this on Star Gift, so I got it for like £20. You've got 3 face masks there. And then at the top, there's 2 nail polishes and then 2 lippies. And as you can see, the lippies are like holographic. So I'm so excited about that. Is that going to be... There you go, you can sit up there. Yeah, I literally just got it for the lippies. Obviously the face masks are bonus, but you know, cure, my battery's going to die in a minute. Thanks for warning me, you know, when I just get started. Anyway, another Star gift I got is the Jules Wonderful Weekend bag. So let's just move the tag on this side just so I can show you the bag. So it's a really gorgeous hot pink bag. It's got a little bunny there. It doesn't actually, oh, it's got a magnetic clasp. I was going to say it doesn't have a clasp, which is really annoying. So yeah, again, I think I paid about £20 for this because it was half price. And you get stuff inside. So you get a foaming bath soak. I don't have a bath, so this is going to be someone's Christmas present. Hand cream, which I need some hand cream. Body scrub, body lotion, and body wash. So I'm not actually sure what this smells like. Kind of. Yeah, floral. But it's a nice floral. Where do I even start? Literally, I've got, you know, you get the huge IKEA bags. I've got one of them full of stuff. So I got some No. 7 Beautiful Skin Quick Thinking Wipes. So these are on voucher at the moment, so you can get these for £2 because they've got £5 off skincare vouchers. So yeah, these are really nice. Best wipes that I've tried. I got a Elsa notepad because it's 3 for 2 on all Christmas gifts, so I had to get a little Elsa. I literally love this so much. It's gonna come in really handy. I got loads of makeup bits, so should I do them now or after? Let me just try and show you my Christmas gifts. Just while we're on the theme, but they have these Beauty and the Beast lip balms, and I'm a massive Disney fan, especially Beauty and the Beast, so I literally had to get these. Strawberry, coconut and cherry. Damn, I hate cherry, but I literally don't care. Like, the tin's so cute. And then also there is this Beauty and the Beast hairbrush. Oh, it's gorgeous. And I'm literally not even going to use it. I'm just going to put this on my dressing table. I love it so much. And then let's just do some makeup, whatever. So I got this Benefit Christmas gift thing. It's a Benefit, I don't even know what it's called, but it's one of the Christmas sets. Basically all the Christmas sets this year look like crystal balls. And I wanted a pink one, so I had to get this one. And this one was a medium size, and they had a bigger one as well, but I want this to go on my dressing table, so I didn't want it to be too big. And it says, I don't know what it says, but let's open it. So in here you get a Professional, a full-size Rocature, and what is this? A gimme brow. This is the tiniest gimme brow I've ever seen. Oh my god, look how tiny that is. And I can't remember how much it was. Oh my gosh, it's actually a mini couture, it's not a full size. But yeah, that's a really pretty blush. I wouldn't normally go for this one, but it's so cute. Does it say? Oh, it's £14.50 for this. So yeah, not bad. Not too bad, and it says it's worth over £22, but I'm not so sure about that. But anyway, that's that. I got loads of NYX stuff. Get out of the way, blue bag. So I got the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the Bright. So you've probably all seen this before. They're out of stock of the warm neutrals, I think. And I didn't really fancy any of the other ones, but this is a really pretty bright palette, and since the Urban Decay Electric palette has been discontinued, this has got very similar colours in it. If I can open it. So yeah, really gorgeous bright colours, really pretty. I can't wait to have a play with this. How nice does that look? So pretty. The packaging feels really cheap though, like that does not feel secure. Oh well. I got one of the Elements palettes. I wasn't sure which one I was going to get, and they are expensive. They're £25, which for NYX is a lot in my personal opinion, but basically I work in Boots and the NYX counter is opposite me, and they were eyeing me up so bad, and I had to get one, but now I'm like, am I even going to use this? I can't open it, sorry. Anyway, finally, so that's what it looks like. Packaging is gorgeous. And then let's open it up. So yeah, it's very pretty. Is that the right one that I wanted? I don't even know. I just feel like, what am I going to do with these yellows? But then, I don't know. I'm going to have a little play with it and see. I think once I swatch them all, I'll be like really happy, but I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, I got one of the NYX Go-To goodies. This is one of the Christmas sets. So you get a lipstick, eyeshadow quad and a lip liner. And I think this was £15. So I'm just going to crack this open. I got 2 of these. So one's for my sister for her birthday. Because I think the colours are gorgeous. So this is a little quad. The colours are so stunning. I could not get this. Really cute. And then you get a matte lipstick, which is a gorgeous nude colour. And then again, the lip liner is a really pretty nude. So for £15, I think that's pretty good, considering the lippies are like £6. They're about £3, and then I don't know how much the quads are, but yeah. I thought that was really cute, and yeah, so we got 2 of those. And then what else have I got? They brought out some new contour palettes, so I've got the 3 Steps to Sculpt, and I got the one in Fair because the highlighter in this is literally amazing. So it looks like this. Sorry, my light is really weird today. So yeah, you've got highlight, contour, and then this shimmer highlighter. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I literally bought it just for that. It's so nice, look at that. But yes, hopefully the other shades will work. I think that's about £11, but I'm really happy with that. I got a brush from Real Techniques, It's a soft shadow brush. I've wanted this for so long. So I think it was on offer. I'm not sure. It might not have been actually. I might have just bought it. Oops. And then I think this one was on offer. This is a Real Techniques Bold Metals Collection Tapered Shadow Brush. I live for blending brushes, so I just thought I would get those to try. And then Boots have launched a new brand called Your Good Skin. It's a skincare brand. So I picked up a few things to try. So I've got the Blackhead Clearing Scrub. So that's what the packaging looks like. Oh, everything is sealed, so I can't really get in there. So really affordable as well. Like everything is under £10, and it's a third off at the moment because it's just recently launched. So I got that one. I got the Balancing Skin Concentrate. So this is meant to kind of rebalance your pH level of skin, and this is like the hero product. So I thought I'd give it a try because my skin has been just really crappy lately. So I'm leaving them there for now. Sorry, it's messy. I got the hot cloth cleanser as well. So who doesn't love a hot cloth cleanser? So you get 2 muslin cloths in here, and then hot cloth cleanser, which I might try tonight. Staying in my new house tonight. I need to make sure I've got towels and stuff. That's just reminded me. Yeah, I got that. And then I picked up 2 of these candles. These are going to be Christmas presents, but they're the Sanctuary Spa candles. So they just look like this. So these are £14 each, but again 3 for 2. So yeah, I got 2 of those. They're going to be presents for people. And then I also picked up the Misguided Liquid Lip Set. It says quad goals. So yeah, it's a matte liquid lipstick set. I just want to open everything because there's a glare. So you've got like pink, a few nudes, and then a really nice dark colour there. So I really can't wait to try these. Really cute. Another Your Good Skin. Few things in here. I got the Active Treatment Tonic. So this is blemish clearing. So I think that's just like a toner. And then I picked up a Purifying Treatment Mask as well. I've literally got so much. I'll have to review it. Picked up some number 7 bits. So I got 2 of the micellar waters. These are my favourite micellar waters ever. They're amazing, and they've got toner in it as well. So 1 step cleanse, really quick and easy. And I also picked up the Beautiful Skin Melting Gel Cleanser. So if you wear a lot of makeup, this stuff is amazing. It literally just melts it all off. You have to try this. It's so good. Then I got, let me just empty this all. So I got a NYX glitter in the shade, just shade 11. Oh, it's a really pretty purple. So I'm not sure how well that's going to pick up, but just a really nice purple with duochrome. Picked up a NYX Lip Liner in mauve. That's for my sister. Hopefully she doesn't see this. And then I got the NYX Glam Liner in really nice bright blue shade. I got the NYX Liquid Lip Suede, it's metallic one, in the purple shade. I got NYX Setting Spray, dewy for my sister. She doesn't know about all this, it's for her present. Also got her the Wonder Stick, it's like a cream highlight and contour. So hopefully she'll like it. She hasn't tried it before, but and then also got a gel cleanser from Your Good Skin. Literally cannot believe how much stuff I have bought. That was 1 bag. I still have got 2 bags left to go. So Don't get in the way, IKEA bag. Okay. I got a Tangle Teezer. This is the frozen one, and like I said before, I literally love Disney so much, and I've actually lost my Tangle Teezer, so I thought I'm just gonna get it. So it's got Anna and Elsa on, and it is so cute. And yeah, it's got the little clip thing to actually protect the bristles, which I think is really good. Got some soap. I've got 2 of these, just literally standard Boots hand wash. I got some shower gels. Where are they? So I got Zingy Mint Fresh, Cool Coconut, and Berries and Cream. Just like I said, I've just bought a house, so I just wanted to kind of get things to stock up. I got my dad, it's his birthday, like next week, so I've got him a Gillette razor and the shaving cream. I got him also this Nando's sauce set because he likes Nando's. I really love that Boots sell these, I think they're so cool. And then for me and Dan, we got this Nando's salt thing, so I've got to remember to take that to the house tonight. Really boring, but I've just got 2 deodorants. These were £1 off. These are my favourite deodorants. They're really good. And the rest is literally boring stuff, which I'm not going to show you them. I've got loads and loads of cotton pads. So I've got 6 because it's 6 per customer. So I just stocked up on those. I got Batiste dry shampoo because why not? Always need dry shampoo. And then finally I got some shampoo and conditioner. So I've got the Organics Brazilian Keratin Smooth shampoo and conditioner. I've never tried this ones before, but it was 2 for £10. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm so glad I picked those up. And the rest, literally really boring stuff like pharmaceutical stuff, so like energizing tablets, antiseptic wipes, really boring stuff like that, paracetamol, so I'm not going to show you all of it. Do you like my hair, by the way? I had a balayage. Yes, so that is my gigantic haul. I literally can't wait to lay this all out and take a picture of everything that I got. Also, I got a candle set, which is a star gift, which I'll have to insert a photo because I thought I bought one up to show in this video, but obviously I haven't. But it's really good. It was like £25 on Star Gifts, that's half price. And then you got medium sized sparkling cinnamon candle, 2 tea light holders, 1 pack of tea lights, and then I think you got like either 4 or 6 of the mini light things. So yeah, got 2 of those as well, but God knows where they are. So now I have to pack all this up because I really wanted to film this video today, and then I have to take this all to my new house along with about 10 other bags. So yeah, and I live in a flat at the moment, so I've got to drag it all downstairs. So can you please like pray for me? Thank you. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching my haul. I really hope that you enjoyed. I feel poor but very happy with my new purchases. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.